Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of a leather repair tape. Very generous, 16 inches by 80 inches. Has a self-adhesive back on there. It's a general repair patch and it comes with all these different colors. Gets excellent ratings. And you can actually get 20 different combinations of colors and patterns. And you have a 100% guarantee. If it doesn't work for you, you can contact them. It's from a company store on Amazon called TIANLDD. Don't know how to pronounce that. What's unique is this company manufactures their own leather products. Whether this is synthetic or real, they do have both. And I believe this is a synthetic leather. And this is, like I mentioned, this is generous because sometimes you get one small or two pieces or two patches for $9. This is, very good value. Look at the price of this and the fact that you're getting 80 inches by 16. So this is going to last you a long time for a lot of different pieces of furniture, and it's an excellent value for that. So they're calling this a high quality leather patch. It's a vinyl based tape, requires no heat, no ironing, no tools. I'm going to be cutting a patch and putting it on an open area on my recliner. And I got a pretty decent color match, but I'm more concerned about having the opening repaired than the color really. But this has a real high abrasion resistance and good toughness, so that it's going to probably outlast the leather that you're putting on there. And this is a nice thickness. It's 0.7 millimeters, which is really thick. So that's why you're going to get that resistance to abrasion and stuff, because it's uniquely thick. There are some on the market that are really thin and they'll wear out in about a year. This is going to outlast the leather that's on your recliner. So this has got a lot of applications. Furniture is one of them, but you could also use it on handbags, car seats, sofas, suitcases, and even jackets. So it'll extend the life of your furniture or whatever you're putting it on, your handbags, your car seats, because eventually you're going to get some kind of wear on there and maybe make a hole, and this is going to allow you to patch that. It's a super strong adhesive on it. You can see it has the type that's on there. You can look it up. It's very adhesive strength is amazing. So we're going to put this on the recliner. I'm going to show you what I'm doing, and then we're going to see how well it works. So here's my recliner. There is the largest rip, and I also have some damaged area there and down over there. So first alcohol wipe, clean those areas, and then take a tape measure and measure the size that you think you're going to need. Cut it in the size you need, and the edges round off, and then apply it with some pressure. After you release the back, it should be set. So there is the patch. It was very easy to do. You can see the rounded edges that I put on there, which keeps it from peeling off if you rub against it. And there is the arm part right there, and then here is the bottom section right there. Very simple to do, very effective. Took me about 12 minutes total for cutting and installing it. So as you saw, this worked excellent, this leather repair tape. There's a lot to go around right here, and I'm impressed with the quality of it, so I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.